Welcome to Marcus Videocast. I'm Rajesh, analyst at Marcus. In this episode, I would like to provide you with a brief overview of our newly researched title, GCC Retail. Retail industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the GCC region. Though the overall economic growth in GCC region suffered a setback at the onset of global financial crisis, the retail sector posted robust growth of over 8% and continued its upward trajectory. The growing importance of retail in GCC can be gauged from the fact that the city of Dubai, along with London, shares the leading position for international retailers' presence. American and European retailers, for the expansion of operations, consider Kuwait City, Riyadh, Jeddah as their top choices outside their home turf. GCC market is primarily composed of two distinct categories, the growing nationals and increasing expatriates, especially in countries like UAE and Qatar. Higher per capita of income and a younger demographic profile of the nationals has a positive implication for the demand of high-value luxury goods and electronic goods, while the working expatriate population supports the surging demand for consumer goods. Generous state subsidy in the form of grants leads to increased disposable level of income aiding the retail industry. We estimate the retail market in GCC to reach $221 billion by 2015, registering an annual growth rate of 7.9% for the period of 2012 to 2015. Food, beverages and tobacco accounted for almost half the market in 2012 and we expect that trend to continue. Over the years, the retail landscape in GCC has changed tremendously from traditional, small, independent, unorganized outlet in the form of souks to large, modern and organized retail chain in the form of malls. However, the retail in GCC is currently focused on very few retailing formats and is majorly skewed towards mall. We expect the retail to evolve and accommodate other formats such as modern cash and carry, convenience stores and discount stores. Luxury retailing is a thriving business in GCC region consisting of affluent local, splurging expatriates and deep-pocketed tourists. Luxury growth in markets like Dubai has suppressed the growth in other developed markets. The attractiveness of retail market has resulted in widespread competition with the entry of many international players. Establishment of New Year's swanky malls has resulted in cannibalization of consumers. Polarization of rentals and vacancy levels as seen. Stringent laws to tackle counterfeiting and copyright infringement are required to instill a sense of security and business confidence among the international retailers. Local talent has to be developed to tide over the workforce scarcity, and adoption of best practices, particularly in inventory management, could help distinguish winners in the long run. Our retail report is about 65 pages long and starts with the overview of retail sector in GCC. The report then discusses about the key growth drivers, market size across various retail segments such as food, apparel, consumer electronics and the like have been estimated. The report discusses the current retail formats prevalent in GCC and the retail infrastructure. The report finally discusses about the emerging trends and the challenges faced by the players in retail industry. List of major retail players are also provided. The report is statistically rich and consists of 29 tables and 49 charts. If you are interested in further details about our retail report in GCC, you may please log on to our website www.e-marmot.com to access the full details. Looking forward to see you again. Thank you.